I'm here today so that I can learn all that I can about becoming a phenomenal event planner, especially on a luxury scale. Based upon Kevin's experience and his reputation in the industry, who better to learn from but the master?
Kevin Lee being celebrity event planner, high-end, high profile. I read his bio and everything, and he did not disappoint me. Every single experience is just genuine and very high level. If this is the path that anyone wants to be an event planner, I think coming into a master class this 2 days is very crucial and very productive.
I thought it was impossible to be in the luxury wedding and event business. I had no idea what to do, where to get started. And after hearing Kevin Lee talk, I mean, he really broke it down into words that wedding planners speak, right? And I understand it, and it's not that hard. You just have to know your market, you have to know what you're talking about, and then you just have to go out there and do it.
This is what makes luxury weddings right here. The color itself, you make a statement.
Such workshops, beautiful workshops, that will only help you grow in the career and enhance your knowledge and boost your confidence.
I think it's amazing. It's an experience you really can't replace.
The training classes and workshops that we participated in did nothing but open my eyes up to everything that I didn't already know that I thought I did know about the event planning world.
I feel like you have to take that leap. You have to be around the best in order to be the best.
He started where I am now and he continued to work his way up. He really gave me a lot of value on how to do it in the real world, how to price my services in the real world. He gave me encouragement with a lot of things that I was doing. I didn't know if I was doing them right.
Why not learn from another person's experiences, mistakes, good decisions, and also it's just so inspiring to be in such a gorgeous place with all of these connections that you make and relationships that you form with people that want to do the same thing and build you up. I mean, it just catapults you to that next level.
The knowledge that I got here is going to help me or anyone else achieve their goals and succeed in anything they would like to do.
This absolutely was motivating. It gives you a big picture. It gives you what to look forward to. You could have the luxury weddings. You are capable of that and much more. The $1 million weddings are now even more a reality.
And every penny is worth it. I would highly recommend this 2-day masterclass to anyone.